Is you serious, nigga? Asking about y'all in the hood is like Scooby-Doo and the gang on a mystery, nigga. East side where we ride, you curious, nigga? When it's beef, you see blood for a week, no period, nigga. Stupid. Bet he thought he had him a win. And his faggot ass man's over there like, look, this nigga losing again. Hold up. It pop off, you the first nigga I knock off. Get that boot to the chin. Nigga, I don't even believe that you believe that we believe you tough. That eagle scream, believe he's done. Don't get mad, y'all. Only he believe he won. When speaking to me, you better watch the peak of your voice. Cause street sweepers, all they know is seek and destroy. And my niggas that get the licking for the squeakiest noise. You living in a fantasy world, you fool, who, nigga? Y'all circles in a box, Fruit Loops, nigga. Yo, bitch, on my dick, she go cuckoo, nigga. And I'm gonna get to after this show, y'all already know. Choo-choo, nigga. Hold up.
Let him get it in.
I take 12, throw that in the clip. Take the clip, smack that in the gun. Throw one in the head, drop the clip, throw one more in. Reload the clip, it's 13, I'ma throw at him. Big flash, no Kodak pick. If he freeze like it wasn't me, I'ma Kodak him. Barbies, queued all up, screwed all up. Ain't first if you thuggin', this your sport. I'll sit him down in a chair, tape his feet to the legs, hog tie his hands, pillowcase his head, grab a golf club, axe, bat, and a shovel to get the beating on his arm, leg, arm, head, till he can't move him a muscle. Listen, your flow like soap when the water's on. My flow like coke in the rawest form. My relationship with your bitch is like a light switch, off and on. My dick, she's off and on. She hops off, spin around, big down, and I smack Big Jim across her jaw. I should. One hand blam, two can Sam, Chung Lee kick this nigga. Take, that ain't your man. If it was, why would you make him another river victim? Fuck a knife, I'ma scissor stick him. Don't let these words get your face dragged through the dirt. Fuck lyricism. Niggas talking about that past shit. Well, I ain't let it slide, no. I ain't get past it. But I bet if y'all ask him, he swung right now. On my mother, I will blast him. I hate the way you sound when you rapping. All that bass and it got a frail tone. Try to stun on my nigga King. Keep it real with yourself. Wasn't a ratchet on your waist, my nitty. It was a cell phone.
Known for getting punched, stomped out, and pissed on. No street cred, spine weak as a fishbone. Faggot, you fake as fuck. You niggas don't weigh enough. He said he was going to war, came back with a paper cut. Impress me, pussy. Show me you about your business, boy. I'm in the trap serving more yacht than liquor stores. Go ahead and piss me off. To the point I gotta blow on my cartridges like a Nintendo 64. Talking out the body hole, I let the shotty blow. They run down on your squad like a snotty nose. Lamar, you're truly soft and everybody knows. Rich does his makeup while this bitch paints his toes. Go, girl. Now go, girl. You fancy, huh? This $100 bill in your panties, slut. Any nigga can get it. My wordplay is tremendous. Fifth fly, injuries. Now you can bitch ride.
Come on, man.
You say you getting fetty. Nah, we don't believe you. You need more people like the empty cathedral. If I empty my eagle, the doc can't revive you. This battle is like killing yourself. It's suicidal. You and I know there is no competition. And every one of your bars suck like Maggie Simpson. Throwing stones like the young boys toting chrome. You want 10 goons running in your mobile home? Hooking this trailer to my truck to take this mobile home? He got champagne taste with beer pockets. He's not from Harlem, he's from Willoughby County. Upstate New York, nowhere near a project. Get out of line. Listen, get out of line, I'ma give you a lineup. My knuckles went diamond, leaving faces divine cut. Only so long you can pretend you've been rapping over a decade and still ain't winning. Look, your flows are recycled. Richie gave you his old style. That didn't work, jerk, you can give it back now. Listen, I lay my Mac down, maximum, Mac rounds. You can call me baby powder, how I pimp slap clown. The mob drop when the magnum pop. I hit the block and turn the fiend into an astronaut. I'll get not body in tracks. Swag isn't intact. Tell that faggot grab his rechargeable battery pack. In the Who Scout, he tried to keep it on the hush boy. Certified fuck boy, now every fag loves joy. Sucker for love boy, bubble soap and suds boy. Y'all can make you famous, you wanna create a buzz boy. Chrome sig like Billy the Kid. You not a boss, just water under a bridge. Your bars are baking soda. What squad is taking over? What guns do you possess? What blocks are you controlling? None. Stop acting out a script, L. This ain't a movie.